Thank you so much for all the hard work you've put in. This camp was unforgettable. I made amazing friends I will never forget, and I can't wait to see everyone again.
For the summer camp, I had such an amazing experience. My favorite part was just meeting you all, and I hope to see you again next time.
Okay, hi, my name is Chris, and most of you might know me from the summer camp. And I'm making this video to show how much I really enjoyed the summer camp, and I would like to thank all the teachers for organizing the summer camp. It's honestly one of the best times of my life, meeting new students from different grades. And yeah, I just wanted to say it was one of the best camps I've ever attended.
Hi, I just want to say thank you. It was such a great experience. It was so cool meeting everyone, and we had so much fun. So thank you for making it such a wonderful summer.
Thank you for the summer camp. I really enjoyed it. It was really fun. My favorite bit was the White House party. I do wish we had a fashion show though.
The summer camp we had in Greece this year, and I really liked the snake prank trip on Melissa, and also I really liked jumping off the mini cliff.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Luis. Wanted to say thank you for all the teachers. We had a really fun time at summer camp, and we can't wait for the winter camp.
Yay!
The only thing I'm going to say that this week was amazing. We have the best teacher ever, and I can't wait for the winter camp.
Hello everyone, my favorite part of the summer camp was meeting my fantastic classmates and our amazing tutors that did everything they could to make this camp an unforgettable experience for all of us. So thank you all so much, and see you all at the winter camp.
Best memory?
Skethos trip.
Funniest moment?
I beat Sarah in arm wrestle.
Best teachers ever?
Sarah, Melissa, Igor, Noah.
What's your next step?
Winter camp.
Are you ready for winter camp?
Yeah!